Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is. The number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 has to be divisible by least common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, as LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 60. So, number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has to be divisible by 60. Now, smallest 4-digit number is, as we know that smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So, divide 1000 by 60. So, we get 40 as a remainder. So, as we get 40 as a remainder, 1000 minus 60, that is 960 is divisible by 60. But here 960 is 3-digit number. We have to find smallest 4-digit number is 3-digit number. Hence, the next number divisible by 60 is 960 plus 60, that is 1020. Hence, smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1020. So, our correct option is option C.